Hello, kids. Welcome to Chiquiri World.
Played all day till sunset sky. Jumped so high and ran so spry. Now I'm muddy head to toe. Bath time calls, so in I go. Splash, splash, water bright. Bath time makes me feel so light. Bubbles floating in the air. Happy giggles everywhere. Warm water in the tub so wide. Rubber duck is by my side. Soap goes swish and bubbles pop. Bath time fun will never stop. Little hands are nice and clean. Shiny cheeks can now be seen. Dust and dirt all float away. Fresh and happy end my day. Bubble bath, bubble bath. Splashing down the bubbly path. Wash and scrub from head to toe. Clean and shiny, watch me glow. Bubble bath, foamy fun and laugh, laugh, laugh. Water sparkles bright and slow. Clean and shiny, watch me glow. Wash my hands and wash my face. Tiny toes in every place. Scrub my knees and little nose. Rinse the water, there it goes. Hair gets washed so soft and neat. Bubbles dancing to the beat. Every splash feels cool and sweet. Bath time fun is such a treat. Bubble bath, splashing down the bubbly path. Wash and scrub from head to toe. Clean and shiny, watch me glow. Bubble bath, foamy fun and laugh, laugh, laugh. Water sparkles bright and slow. Clean and shiny, watch me glow. Duck goes quack and boat goes sail. Bubbles make a foamy trail. Laughing loud with happy cheer. Best bath time is always here. Toys all float and spin around. Splishy, splashy, silly sound. Smiles and joy are all around. Bath time fun is what I found. Now the towel is soft and warm. Wrap me like a cozy form. Dry and fresh I jump with glee. Bath time fun for little me. Comb my hair and grin so wide. Freshness shining deep inside. Mirror says with joyful pride.